Bellwether Industries has conducted the first tests of a prototype flying two-seater, the Volar, built to a 1:2 scale. Multicopter VTOL and will fly at over 200 kilometers per hour at an altitude of 900 meters in the meantime. Its prototype made a controlled flight in Dubai at a speed of 40 kilometers per hour at an altitude of about 4 meters. A full-scale prototype with a width of 3.2 meters will be designed for 4 passengers during a flight on one row will be equal to 90 minutes. And the maximum load is 6 kilograms. The electric power plant in the form of fan tunnels is hidden under the hull and includes 4 propulsion units. According to the plan of the developers, the hypercar for flights within the city, Volar, will go on sale by 2028. Matia, from Sony Pisa, will be launched soon. The robot can efficiently move on a flat surface and overcome obstacles, including stairs. Change its trajectory and turn around on the spot thanks to 4 independently driven wheels that can rotate up to 90 degrees. For navigation, Matia uses GPS with a camera OS, avoiding collisions with various insurmountable obstacles and pedestrians. With its own mother of 25 kilograms, the robot can carry up to 20 kilograms of payload, step over objects up to 15 centimeters high, climb slopes with an inclination angle of up to 15 degrees and accelerate to 10 kilometers per hour. A full charge of the battery is enough for 4 o'clock battery life. Cadillac unveiled the self-driving inner space concept car, and the spacious cabin houses comfortable 2-seater seats that can be pushed apart. And instead of the instrument panel, a large curved onboard computer screen is installed under the windshield. The ego-managed infotainment system can be extended at the request of the client. The biometric water and AI-driven interface allows passengers to choose their travel experience, including augmented reality interaction, entertainment and wellness. The electric car boasts Goodyear tires with sound comfort technology, which reduces driving noise, and the sightline system provides additional information about tire pressure and temperature and load. It is raising funds to develop modular robotic arms with artificial intelligence. All-in-ones are designed to perform a variety of tasks at work or at home, from filming video content, prototyping or laser engraving. The arm can lift up to 750 grams, its range is 390 millimeters, and the speed is up to 500 millimeters per second. The camera module is capable of face recognition, image classification, object detection, live tracking, color recognition, and much more. Various modules can be connected to the robot. For example, a powerful laser for engraving and cutting 3D modules, a printer with an auto-leveling function, and a pen holder. Unit is also equipped with a built-in vacuum pump that can be used without additional connection. Users can also create their own modules for any task. Boston Dynamics, this year will begin to supply its own robot, selected by a group of customers. Wide sales will start in 2023. Over the past year, the company's engineers have taken the robot from a prototype built mostly from Atlas-designed parts and a spot-ready robot to a real implementation. The robot is able to independently unload boxes from pallets, put them on shelves and form orders from several boxes from different locations in the warehouse, and eventually load the boxes into trucks. All the robot needs to do is show the back of a trailer filled with boxes and it will work autonomously, placing new belt one by one on the conveyor until the trailer is empty. Drones as one of the means of first aid, said that its drone saved the life of a man. When a 70-year-old Swedish citizen had a heart attack, the drone was able to deliver a defibrillator to the place. Before the ambulance arrived, the doctor was able to help. Accidentally happened to be nearby. Delivering a defibrillator using a drone in Sweden has been tested for several years, with 64% of the time the drone was ahead of the ambulance. The Italian company has begun testing heavy cargo drones capable of delivering parcels weighing up to 100 kilograms. The startup has already received the necessary permits and entered into an agreement with the National Post. Now the drone and the company are transporting cargo weighing 25 kilograms over the river. For safety reasons, drones can carry parcels inside the cargo hold or on external hooks. The drone itself weighs 70 kilograms and is able to stay in the air for up to 50 minutes. The American startup Petra presented the work of a capable, drilling even the hardest rocks in a non-contact way. An autonomous robotic system that will be able to create tunnels with a diameter of 50 to 150 centimeters in any city. The device blasts the rock using a hothead, which is under high pressure. The video demonstration shows how the Starling changes its complexion and collapses the color and uses machine vision, but still requires a remote control to do its job. It is also the first robot that can exit its own tunnel. The cost of the robot is almost 90% less than that of conventional, non-transgenic methods. The robot also opens up access to areas previously unsuitable for drilling.
Together with the university, has developed and introduced the HB-1 robot, capable of moving vertically to the surface to inspect infrastructure and buildings, paint surfaces and take pictures of the state of objects. Thanks to the unique suction system, the robot can climb uneven surfaces and overcome obstacles. For example, wires and nails. The robot can carry up to 6 kilograms of payload. The HB-1 remote control radius is 30 meters from the ground. An American robot startup Nero has introduced a new courier robot with a pedestrian airbag mounted on the outside of the robot. And no, this is not a joke. The robot, less than 3 meters long, includes 2 compartments for parcels with the function of maintaining the set temperature. To move the robot, 5 leaders, cameras, and radars are used. The maximum speed is 72 kilometers per hour. Travis Air Force Base in Northern California and received a robotic arm to serve the dining room robot arm Alfred, developed by Boston startups Dexy Robotics in accordance with the current trend. Should minimize the transmission of germs and viruses. If the tests are successful, the systems will appear in at least 10 U.S. military canteens. High Performance Robotics Laboratory and University of California. We have introduced new quadcopters that are able to change shape in flight. The drone can stay operational in 4 different configurations, with stable brewing capabilities in 3 of them. This is achieved without the use of actuators other than the 4 motors typical of a quadcopter. The transformation is achieved by freely rotating pivots that allow the vehicle's arm to fold down by reducing or changing the traction force. Rich Tech Robotics showed 22 Edam Barista robots at CS20. This coffee maker guru and robot is like a real barista. The robot's arms move simultaneously and independently, deftly manipulating various objects from a variety of robots. Having learned how to brew coffee, Adam stands out precisely in design. The new humanoid Takabi debuted at the International Avatar Competition. An exploration robot created by the Dynamic Robotic Systems Lab at Seoul National University that took 8 years to develop. Takabi is 180 centimeters high and weighs 100 kilograms and has 33 degrees of freedom. Developers traditionally propose a robot for use as a rescuer and substitute for a person in all dangerous environments and situations. We hope to see Takabi again at other events and exhibitions.